Today's video covers changing the green wire in a Porsche 928 1981 model. Let's get started. Okay, what we need to do today is change the wire which goes from the distributor in here, which we did, the green wire, all the way through here and into a connection down under here, that connector there. So first things first, we need to remove these inlets for the airbox and then get into the distributor. The green wire, as you can see, is down on the right hand side of the distributor, and there's some screws holding the connector in. One screw there, and the other screw is down right around the back in there. So when we do it, we've got to make sure that when we turn the distributor, we've marked the timing, which we have here. There, you can see what the current timing is. We've got to twist. Take this bolt out, twist the distributor clockwise so we can get to the other screw to take it out. It's a very simple process once we get to the screw. This centre wire for the coil comes down the front here and into that clip there. So when we pull it out, we'll know where it goes. There we go. So that's the cord for the coil. Just leave that down there to give us more room. I'll put an F on the front of the distributor so we know that that is the front facing part of the distributor. Okay, that just comes there. It just, you can see it slips into the distributor. Just see in there. Undo the two screws, which are here and on the other side. And then that there just slips straight out like that. And you can see in there, it just clips in. So what we have to do is replace this wire, which is clipped onto here, run it through there, clip it on the other end, and we're in business. When we turn the distributor, you can see it's turned. You make sure you don't turn it too far, because look what happens. It starts coming out. You don't want to do that because then you lose timing. So you just make sure that you do it tight enough, turn it far enough so you can actually get to the two screws, but not too far so it actually comes out of the engine. What we're going to do now is feed the green wire along the path of the old one, the new green wire, so that it's all in place ready to plug in both ends. So we'll just clip off this clip there, run it all the way under here, up here, and into the side of the distributor. This little clip here sits underneath and into the gap just there, around the back to hold that pin in. So it sits in that gap going from underneath. Okay, well, she started up and seems to be running nicely, so obviously it's being connected the right way and the timing is back to where it's supposed to be. So I think the job's done. All good, all finished. We'll keep the old green wire, which is now black, so we can see what the connectors look like in case we need to order a new one at some point. As you can see, the connectors have deteriorated really badly, but at least we'll know what they look like. We also have a part number, 928 602 90700.